So in this problem, we have a harmonic progression. It's 7th term and the 12th term is provided to it. So we need to determine the 20th term. Now let us begin. So what we'll do, first we will consider an arithmetic progression whose first term and common difference will be specified. Now according to the problem, we are given here the 7th term of our HP. So its value is 1 over 10. Now if we have the 7th term of our HP, then we can immediately also define the 7th term of the AP. Then the 7th term of the corresponding arithmetic progression, so that's going to be the reciprocal of the 7th term of an HP. So the reciprocal of 1 over 10 is going to be 10. Fine. Now that we have the 7th term of the AP, this can be also represented as A plus 7 minus 1 times the common difference D. So this will be equals to 10. And this gives us an equation A plus 6D equals to 10. So let's label this as equation number 1. Now we are also provided with the 12th term of the harmonic progression, which has a value 1 over 25. This means that we can also define the 12th term of the corresponding arithmetic progression. So that will be simply the reciprocal of the 12th term of the harmonic progression, meaning we have to take the reciprocal of 1 over 25, so that gives us 25. Now the 12th term of the arithmetic progression, so that can be expressed as A plus 12 minus 1 times the common difference D. This will be equals to 25. So we have A plus 11D equals to 25. So let this be equation number 2. Now we have two unknowns, A and D, and we have two equations, equation number 1 and 2. And we can solve them to obtain the value of A and D. So let's do that. So we have equation number 2, and from it we're going to subtract equation number 1. So we have A plus 11D equals to 25, and then we have A plus 6D equals to 10. So that's equation number 1. So after subtraction, so we have A and A cancelling out. 11D minus 6D, that's 5D. 25 minus 10, so that's 15. Which means the value D comes out to be 3. Now that we have the value of the common difference D, we can use either 1 or 2 to find out A. So let's use number 2. So now number 2 gives us, we have A plus 11 times D, so D is going to be 3, equals to 25. So we have A plus 33 equals to 25. So A will be equals to 25 minus 33. The A value comes out to be negative 8. Now that we have the first term A and the value of the common difference D, we can find out the 20th term of the arithmetic progression. So let's find it out. The 20th term of the arithmetic progression, so that will be simply A20 given by A plus 20 minus 1 times the common difference D. So we have A, which is negative 8, added to, so 20 minus 1 is 19. We have 19 times the common difference D. So we get negative 8 plus 57. That's 19 times 3. Now 57 minus 8, so that's going to be 49. So that means the 20th term of the arithmetic progression is 49. However, we have to find out the 20th term of the harmonic progression. Now all you have to do is take the reciprocal. So we get the final result. Thus, the 20th term of the harmonic progression, this will be simply A1 over A20. So that gives us the value 1 over 49.